Hello guys, today I will be showing
How to
you
reset your iPhone without losing data. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So if you want to reset your iPhone and you don't want to lose any of your data files application, then all you have to do here is just go to your iPhone settings. Now you need to scroll down and look for the general option. Tap on general here, and then under general you have to scroll down again. So here you have to look for transfer or reset iPhone. That is below legal and regulatory. So here, transfer or reset your iPhone, tap this one. Once you tap this transfer or reset your iPhone, it will show you two options below, and that is to reset. And the other option here is erase all data. So if you want to reset your iPhone without losing your data, of course, you have to click the first option right here, which is reset. After that, you will see some options again, such as reset all settings, reset network settings, and so on. So what you're going to do here is you have to click the first option here, reset all settings, tap this one. Once you tap this, iPhone will ask for your passcode. You just have to enter your passcode right here. Once you enter your passcode, then you will see the option that says reset. So you have to click or reset all settings. You will see this message, no data or media will be deleted. Wait as it is processing. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.